Hello, hello, Sanam. Any particular website, whether it is a static or a page website, how we can updating for SC1 page? So I'm searching for ironpage.in website. Who are looking for gym training like Madhapur location, please contact to ironpage.in. Easily we can contact you for particular website and we can ask you the price and everything. And in this particular website, how we can updating for SC1 page? You can writing SC1 page in a Word document properly. How you can updating for your particular website? There is a purpose. We have to go for the static pages. Dynamic is we can using for admin panel. For static, we can go to this particular C panel, go for file manager. Any particular website code it is using by the file manager option. In a file manager, go to public underscore HTML. And we can go to this application, click for views. These are your particular website. But if you want pay purpose, where I can upload the coding, you can go to the particular page. And coding update will be about us page. Click for Control U. What is the code I'm updating in this previous? I can change your particular code option. Here I'm clicking for about us page, edit. Here what are the title we have? Can use will be here. So I can go to the home page, check your every option. So same like I'm changing for my particular title description for your about us page. So I'm selecting this option and copy this content. Yes, then go to this description part. And then go to this particular option will be here. So in this keyword type, little bit changes are happening. The changes will be happening. Only we can writing will be keyword type. Okay. I click for that. Previous like this. Now will be changing will be here. It is the option. Within a fraction of seconds, you can updating for your particular page. Here it is called about us page. Here it is called checking will be. After we can change this, we can have a look at can update by the your particular title, description, and the keyword option. So if you are doing for one comma, one full stop mistake, so that all will be mistake for your particular website. So properly we can update the content here and we can update by each and every website SEO on page. Once done by SEO on page, immediately we can do option name is called search console option. So we can go to your search console will be first mandatory field. So search console. I can go to the search console, click for it, which link I'm updating in the SC1 page. You can immediately we can do with the option name is called URL inspection and click the URL it is called. That is called indexing compulsory important in each and every particular URL option. So the content will updated will be here and immediately we can updating for your URL Google mandatory field. So this is update for each and every website after changing for SEO on page. So this is the properly maintain it and index the particular URL. So this will be you can forget it. You're completely mistake for your particular website content. So compulsory what are the content you're updating? Immediately you can do option name is called index procedure compulsory mandatory field. Any further question how we can updating for SEO page or particular websites and all CPAN related issues, you can contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.